Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable dialing keypad sound on your Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by tapping on the home key at the bottom of the screen. Then we're going to swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, go down and tap on sounds and vibration. Then go down and tap on the system sound or vibration control. And then we go down and tap on dialing keypad switch to turn it on or off. Now, if it is off, if you go to the keypad here, when you're tapping on the key, it doesn't make any sound. And if I go back here and switch it on, you can see it will make a sound when I tap on a number key. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.